Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your Spotify account. For this, I am going to use Chrome today. You can use any of the suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here Spotify.com. This will take you to the official web page of your Spotify account. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, tap on this gear icon on the top right corner, tap on support option, scroll down and tap on account help option. Now you need to swipe from left to right and tap on account settings. Here, tap on closing your account option. Now, tap on close your account option. So you can see that here's an option of close my account and delete my data. Tap on it. So you can see that they have asked us to message with close my account option. So I'm going to tap on close my account and message them just like this. So you can see that they have just said their thanks, hold tight while we take a look. So they're still giving us option, either we want to close our account or even update email address or update display name to get unset here. But since we want to delete our account, I'm going to tap on close my account and delete option. So you can see that they have just sent an email to confirm our account closure and we can access our email address. If you're okay with it, tap on yes option. So you can see that they will delete or anonymize our personal data so that it no longer identifies us. So if we want to continue, we need to tap on yes option. So they have just sent an email to our email address to verify if the account is ours. We can just check our email and then close. So you can see that after checking our email, our account will be deleted successfully. So this is how you do it. This is how you delete your Spotify account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.